Good evening, sir. This line initializes a buffered reader object to read from a file name. Input text file reader is used to read the file, and buffered reader wraps it to provide efficient reading of characters, arrays, and lines. This block reads the file line by line, and the readLine method reads a line of text and returns it as a string. The while loop continues until readLine returns null, indicating the end of the file. After reading the file, buffered reader is closed using close to release system resources associated with it. The try block is to handle potential I/O exception that might occur during file operations. If an exception occurs, it is caught and the stack trace is printed. This line initializes a buffered writer object to write a file name. Output text file writer is used to write the file, and buffered writer wraps it to provide efficient writing of characters, arrays, and lines. The write method writes the specified string to the file, include the new line character, which ensures that string is written on a line. This is a buffered writer example. N is written to the file. After writing to the file, the buffered writer is closed, using close to ensure that all data is properly flushed and system resources are released. Buffered reader and buffered writer are properly closed after their respective operations to ensure efficient use of system resources and avoid potential memory leaks. That's all, sir.